Number 1. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,999, finished in a classic emerald green exterior with a gray interior. This truck has traveled 174,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.7-liter gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It is a two-wheel drive model and features the sought-after Silverado package, which includes air conditioning, power windows and door locks, and cruise control. The truck is equipped with a heavy-duty transmission cooler, a DMI bumper, a spring hitch, and a brake controller, making it ready for towing or hauling. It also includes a 6.5-foot bed and a factory-ordered sprayed-in undercoating that was applied when the truck was new to help preserve the underbody. Service has been done on a regular schedule throughout its life. Notable maintenance includes new front ball joints installed in 2014, a new alternator in 2018, a complete new exhaust system in 2018, and significant brake work completed in 2020. Number 2. 1977 Chevrolet C10, price $7,700, featuring a 350 V8 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission. The truck remains in all original condition and is fully running and driving. It has a white exterior and a classic interior, both showing the charm of a true survivor vehicle. While there is minor rust present on the hood, the floors are in great shape. This C10 has always been in California and comes with its original blue and yellow license plates. Included with the sale are the original title, owner's manual, and the original purchase receipt, making it a rare find for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Although the air conditioning system still functions, it currently does not blow cold air. The truck is currently on non-operational registration with the DMV, preserving its status without accumulating fees. Number 3. 1993 Nissan D21, price $2,500. This truck is a rare automatic model with a white exterior and burgundy interior. Despite its high mileage of 324,000 miles, it has no rust, no body damage, and the paint remains in great condition. It runs on gasoline, has an automatic transmission, and sits on very new tires, making it a solid base for restoration. Mechanically, the truck needs work. It starts up but runs rough, overheats quickly, and tends to stall while driving. The engine knocks, and both the air filter and air box are soaked with oil. The head gasket, covered in copper spray, is leaking oil, and there's oil, fuel, and water pooled in the intake manifold. Other issues include cracked belts, chewed-up wires, brittle hoses and vacuum lines, and a leaking power steering hose. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, with 146,000 miles on the odometer. It features a powerful 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering reliable performance on the road. The exterior is finished in a fresh burgundy paint job valued at $4,500, completed within the last year, while the interior is fitted with comfortable gray cloth seats. The truck comes equipped with a brand new AC compressor that blows ice-cold air, power windows and locks, and a convenient third door for easier access. It sits on newer wheels and tires and includes running boards, chrome bed rails, and a full tow package, making it both stylish and practical. A complete new exhaust system has been installed, and the transmission was rebuilt within the last 2 years for added reliability. Additionally, the alternator has recently been replaced. Despite having a rebuilt title, the Chevrolet 1500 remains a dependable and eye-catching truck. Number 5. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,900. This pickup is a dependable, strong-running truck with just 70,000 miles since the engine and transmission were rebuilt. It features an automatic transmission, a new exhaust system that sounds great, and a front-mounted winch perfect for work, off-road use, or recovery tasks. The truck comes in a gold exterior with a clean tan interior that shows no rips or dash cracks. The extended cab provides extra space for gear or passengers. Its body is straight with no major dents, and while the paint isn't flawless, it still looks good overall. With its solid build and reliable performance, this gas-powered Chevy 1500 is ready for any job or adventure. Number 6. 1987 Chevrolet S10, price $2,800, equipped with its original 2.8L V6 engine paired to a 5-speed manual transmission. It retains its all-original white paint, and the blue interior remains in great shape, especially considering the truck's age. Impressively, the body shows no signs of rust, making it a solid example of this classic compact pickup. the truck starts, runs, and drives very well, reflecting consistent mechanical reliability. It was originally built without factory air conditioning, which is rare and desirable to some collectors. Due to the original fuel tank rusting from long-term storage, the truck currently runs on a professionally installed fuel cell mounted in the bed. Number 7. 1987 Dodge D150, price $4,500. It has 156,000 miles and features a red exterior with a matching red interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a swapped 1991 Magnum 318 engine, paired with a rebuilt 904 automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include a new 4-barrel Holley-Carb, ACES EFI distributor, MSD6AL ignition, and heat-wrap dual exhaust headers. It also has a GM 1-wire alternator and new aftermarket belt kit. Originally built with plans for EFI and turbo, the project was paused due to other commitments. The truck sits on new wheels and tires, installed last year, and only needs a new battery and alignment to be road-ready. This is a well-modified classic with plenty of potential. Number 8. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. Under the hood, it's powered by a pre-1984 350ci V8 engine equipped with a Holley carburetor and a Flowmaster dual exhaust system, giving it a strong, throaty performance. The automatic transmission has been upgraded with a shift kit for firmer, quicker gear changes. The truck has been lowered using a Beltec flip kit, giving it a more aggressive stance, and it rides on a set of original Craig RSS rims. The tires still have some life left, making it ready for the road. Inside the cabin, it features a Rockford Fosgate amplifier and a Bazooka subwoofer behind the seat for enhanced audio experience. Additional parts included in the sale are the original rims, a complete tow package, and many other components. Number 9. 1974 Ford F-250, price $10,000, with 146,000 miles and a bold green exterior. It's powered by a 5.9L 360 V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include a bank transmission temperature sending unit, XL external transmission cooler, aluminum radiator, Edelbrock Performer 4-barrel intake, an Edelbrock 600 carburetor. A 155-amp PowerMaster alternator supports strong electrical output, while Rancho 9000 shocks and Moog variable rate coil springs improve ride quality. With a 38-gallon gas tank, Kurt XL tow hitch, and Kurt Spectrum brake controller, this truck is built for long hauls. It also features new brakes and new tires, making it a road-ready and capable vintage workhorse. Number 10. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. With 224,000 miles on the odometer, the truck still runs and drives reliably. The 4x4 system functions well, making it suitable for light utility use such as trips to the dump or driving around town. While the vehicle is mechanically solid, it does have some cosmetic and maintenance needs. There is visible rust in the cab corners, and it will eventually require new brakes and tires. The air conditioning and heat are currently functional, although the AC system has a leak and will need a new compressor in the future. Additionally, there is a dent on the driver's side of the bed, which is shown in the photos. On the positive side, the truck doesn't leak any fluids.